How to create a Shopify store in mobile. Shopify mobile app tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with building your mobile application using Shopify. So if you want to build a Shopify store and you don't want to take out your laptop, you just want something that's simple, you can do it easily on your phone. And to do this, simply head on over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the Shopify application. So just click on this application and download it. Once you have downloaded this application, what you're going to do is you're going to open up this application and this will be your dashboard. Now, in your dashboard, you have two options, either to get started or to log in. So to build our store, we are going to click on get started and you're going to answer a couple of questions. Now, these are not necessary, and you can just click on skip all, click on next over here, and just proceed over here to create your account on Shopify. Now, to create your account, you have to use your email address, and I am just going to be using my Google email address. Okay, so it might take a little bit of time, and I'm just going to click on sign up with email, and you can just sign up with your email address. It's totally up to you, like this. And then you can create a strong password like so. Now, once you've completed that, click on create Shopify account, and then we're just going to log in. And then I'm just going to proceed into our Shopify account. Now, once you have completed that, you will be able to see your store will be created. Now, you can click on add store if you want to get started from scratch. This is our store from scratch over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to start building our store. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that there are a few customizations that you might not be able to do, when you're editing your store on your phone, but it's still pretty easy. So we're going to click on select a plan and you can choose to get started with only $1, and you do get a 3-day free trial as well. So even if you are not looking to, purchase your store right now, you can get a 3-day free trial. So we're going to go into our store and you will see on the bottom you have a ordering section, you have a product section, and then you have these 3 dots. Once you click on those, you have customers, contents, analytics, marketing, all the standard stuff you find in your Shopify panel, and then your online store. So you can click on online store over here and this will show you the theme. Now, currently our store is password protected, but I can click on edit over here to start editing my Shopify store. So let's say I want to customize the theme a little. So I'm just going to make some minor edits in our theme directly from my phone. So let's just go on ahead and start editing. Now, one thing to note is that you can still alter your theme. So if you already have a pre-existing theme in mind, you can change it from the Dawn theme to that theme before you get started with editing on your phone. But I'm just going to be using the Dawn theme for this particular tutorial. Now, as you guys can see on the bottom, you have the section editor, and you can select any section and we can edit the text like this. So let's say instead of welcome to our store, we want to say spring trends are here, like this. And I'm going to click on done. And now this will be added to the announcement bar. Now let's take this down. And you guys can see on the top now in the announcement bar, it says that. Let's say I want to add another section. So I can click on edit sections on the bottom, and I want to remove the image banner. I'm going to delete that, and now we just have a featured collection and then a footer. So if you want, you can go on ahead and click on these 3 dots, and you have your theme settings where you can alter those as well. I'm going to click on add section, and let's say I just want this to be a image with text. So I will choose that from here and then just click on add, and now I can click on this section and I can change the image with text, which might be mini bags are back. Like this, click on done. Then in this, I want to add some more text. Just talk about mini bags. Generate text, and I'm just going to use some AI-based text in this section. I'm not writing the text right now, so I'll just write some with my own. So for our body text, mini bags are the latest and greatest of the like this, and I'll just click on save over here and then just click on done. Now we have a button, which is our call to action button. So you can edit these buttons as well, where the button label is going to be Explore Now. Instead of Buy Now, I want to write Explore Now, and this would lead people to the product page, All Product, and then just click on Save on the top. Now going back, I can go into the image section by simply clicking on Image with Text, and then I can click on Select Image. I can upload my own image or, choose some of the free images available on Shopify as well. I'll just use this image from here and then just click on Save. Now you can change all of the placements, all of that from here as well. But first, let's see what the section is currently looking like. So this is our store. We have featured products and we have this section. It looks pretty good to me. Now, this is just editing your website. What happens if you want to add products? Well, adding products is even simpler than editing your website. For that, just click on Exit, and then you can go into the bottom right where you have this label icon and click on Add Your Product. From here, you can add your product as you normally would. So let's say we have mini bag, and then we can add a price, let's say 100. And let's say our compared price is 120 and our actual cost per item is $90 or $50. And after that, I'm going to click on Save. Below that, we have our sales channels. Now, I have an online store and a point of sale. I don't want to add a point of sale. I only want to have this at my online store. Then you can add a variant such as colors or sizes. So let's say we have colors and then we have two values in colors. We have black and then brown. And we can add more variants if we want, but I'm just going to add two variants like this. Then below that, you have your inventory. So you're going to add your inventory. Let's say we have 1,000 pieces of the black one and 1,000 pieces of the brown one, like this. Now, after that, you have your vendor, which is going to be your own store. Then you have the category of item. You can click on Add a Category to add new categories. So we're just going to search for that. Bags, and this is going to be a fashion bag or purse. I'm just going to search for purse over here. And if you can't find your particular category, you can go through the categories step by step. We can go ahead and scroll around a little. Apparel and accessories. And then I am going to add this as handbag. And then we're just going to add this. And then after that, you also have types. So you can build a particular type that you want. And I'm just going to click on Save over here. Below that, you have tags. And I do think that adding tags is very important. Handbag, purse, mini bag, like this. And then just click on Save. And then click on Save on the top right, and your product is now active. You can upload your own images as well to the product, and if you are uncertain about your product as of yet, you can set it up as a draft as well. Now I'm just going back, and let's go ahead and take a look at our store right now. So I'm going to click on the View option, and this is what our store currently looks like. So we have our mini bag, we have this new section, and in this way, you can build your Shopify store step by step using your mobile phone. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.